Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal don't beat Leeds 2-0 to advance to the quarter-final round of the Carabao Cup. They played the first half just get drab, nobody scored for first half. So for second half, Callum Chambers can't score as him enter just for after 23 seconds to make him 1-0. Meanwhile, in case yourself can't score for second half, as Baba Dremel keeper can't score empty nets to make him 2-0. So the match take end though. After the match, one thing we can make a lot of fans can't worried now. You know say Ben White can't limp off because Baba can't do like say maybe he get injury. But do one kind. So everybody gonna pray say I beg may not be say this guy don't get injured because this guy might be one of the most important members of that our defensive partnership. You know, see the partnership we get between himself and Gabriel Magalhaes, it is very very key. If you can add on to Tomiyasu and maybe Tierney or Tavares when they by the side, that back line, the four of them and Aaron Ramsdale, they're very very important. I would not like to come out one piece of that puzzle. Go move on for another place, come put another person there. That person will put there. If you never understand the dynamics of that defense partnership, that's why we pray. Say I beg God to make it not be say this guy don't get injury. At the same time, for media set so Arteta can come outside, can they give injury updates based on what people they fear about Ben White. So back on the talk say this Ben White, and nobody say the guy get injury, we make a come out and come put Callum Chambers to get. The Chambers enter so that one self will get more game time. And Ben White self not even supposed to play in the first place because I don't know, get one sickness we can they fly around Emirates get because Pablo Mari don't get that sickness because Pablo Mari and Rob Holding and they're supposed to play marry all the opponent's defense. So but unfortunately Pablo Mari can't get bug, can't get one sickness. They don't tell us the name of the sickness. So now say as Ben White they play, Ben White self can't come down with sickness. You know be say maybe he don't tire or he get cramps. Say the guy can't feel like say, you know we're gonna get that feeling like say I'm gonna like I don't sick or like maybe I won't vomit, that kind of thing. So you can't reason Kochi, so Kochi can't come out as Kochi come out and put Callum Chambers. You'll be like say now God there Arteta say I'm gonna come out this guy put Chambers just enter, you know reach 20 seconds or 30 seconds. Baba burst nets to make him 1-0. So that's why Baba don't clarify say look no they fear say this guy get injury, so now just small bug. So hopefully before the match against Leicester, so everything will run soft well. But at the same time, majority of Arsenal fans on social media when they beg Arteta say make Arteta give Lacazette even if now 1 year extension, make this guy stay for Emirates. See the way the guy they passionate about the club now. Say if they score, even if not being scored, the way they celebrate, you know, the way they ginger, the way they happy. Say I know if you talk say this guy no love Arsenal now. Forget all these three people they talk say you won't join Newcastle, you won't join Atletico Madrid, you won't join Inter. Say this guy get that passion, get that zeal to play for this club. Say now give him 1 more year. Forget say don't dey 30 years. Give him 1 more year now. About me I wait 32 when they play call like I dey 30. Give like a 1 or 2 years maybe about play. I don't know how na take seriously people they talk. She they in support of those who they say they give like even if now 1 or 2 years more. I be in support of those who they say make the guy find square roots. Yeah, they go buy Dominic Calvert-Lewin or Ole Watkins or Isaac. Which one you did? Another surprise we say many people they wonder say why Kolasinac sit for Arsenal squad. She like say this guy we walk with join Fenerbahce. When you go with his best friend Ozizi, they don't understand why the guy sit there. See the guy that have a surplus of requirement and the guy don't go down the pecking order. And be our third choice left back. You get. I know say as Kenan said you know day now for now you go back get injury. Tavares now come be the next in line. I be the deputy. Get as Tavares has to rest against the match for Leicester. That's why they got to draft him for last night. I be one minute they play academy player. I mean gonna play for that left back. That's why they put that set Kolasinac there and they work for them. The guys are still good now. At least if they play against all this kind of lower opposition for cup, you go shine. But no fit dey use am for the main match for EPL. I forget say for the beginning of the season we draft am enter na because Tavares never really understand the dynamics of EPL and at the same time they wan use Sead Kolasinac as a centre back pair because na centre back they use am for the beginning of the season because I believe say Tierney play that early game so na so e just be. Now many questions when people they ask about Pepe be say what next for Pepe because this guy see wetin he play yesterday. A lot of people don talk say na him be the flop of the match for that yesterday because of the way he play. And wetin make dem dey call this guy flop no be say the guy dey too spectacular or him be Superman, na because Arsenal paid a whooping sum of 72 or 70 something million pounds for him. So, and the guy never live up to expectation. Last season we think say this is finally the season, because even Arteta sef come out from media setting say Pepe is playing very well. Say the way the guy dey play don adapt, he don acclimatize to the league. We think say this season now go become the make or break season for Pepe, but unfortunately this guy no can do anything good this season. And wetin dey vex me na that mumu leg over wey we dey do. But they count leg over, I don't know. I'm saying the leg over na food, leg over na goal, leg over na assist. We no dey do leg over anyhow. And the leg over dey slow sef, no be say dey dribble anybody. So it's just tire me jare. A lot of people dey talk say make dem sell this guy. Are you in support? Make dem sell am, abi make dem loan am. But if you go loan am, e no make sense. Na get as e be na. Imagine buying somebody for something million pounds. At the end of the day, come dey loan am. Imagine say Man U now dem buy Sancho, Papa no dey get playing time because dem no too trust am. Make dem come loan am out. E no sound absurd. Abi how una see this matter? Amadou Spirit wey dem call the Sun don come outside dey let us know say Arsenal dey struggle to convince William Saliba say he still get future for the Emirates because the guy no dey happy with the Arsenal hierarchy. Ever since dem buy am for certain time since 2018, wey the guy at dey 18 years. Now the guy don go like 3 loan now. He go back to certain after dem buy am. After certain Baba come go to Nice, go play. After Nice, Baba now don go to Marseille. That's like 3 different clubs now where the guy don go on loan ever since when dem buy am. So before you know now, in contract go remain maybe 2 years or 1 year, who knows. So Arsenal go gas to give am contract renewal, and for that contract renewal, the guy go get strength, go get power to decide say omo, if una know say una no go play me, make na tell me I no dey sign shishi. And wetin we dey hear from another monitoring spirit be say next season na Arteta dey reason say okay, they go integrate the guy into the squad, because all those kind senior men like Pablo Mari, the guys go marry another people for another club. Then people like maybe Rob Holding, 50 day, you get. But that Pablo Mari, that one don't. They no really. How many games he don't play this season? Now that one might be over surplus to requirements. So the guys sell him or the guys keep him, but he go dey down the pecking order. Because next season hopefully we don't enter Europe, so more games we don't do. No be just Cup and League. Now we play Cup, League, Europe, Cup, League, Europe. So the games, you know, the schedule will be very tight. So we need all the help we can get. So the if you sell these guys, they will still keep them, but they will just dig down the pecking order. After the match, they play against Leeds yesterday. So in case I can't come out of a media setting, call the talk, so almost they don't wait to take in chance for a very long time. And the thing can't tell we were saying thank God say for the match, I seen play, saying score goal, and not just any goal, saying score a spectacular goal, and saying dribble the keeper, saying just thank God for the way everything they work for him. And at the same time, for media setting, they can't ask Mikel Arteta about the performances of Nketiah. So back on the thought, say the guy is a very nice boy. Say the guy played very well. Say he just the unfortunate. Say last time around for the last window, say the guy no really gets what he wants because he wanted to go out either on loan or something. She had to get more playing time because nobody like to stay for Benjamin, and nobody made Saka, Smith Rowe, them Martinelli, them don't they get small game time, especially Saka and Smith Rowe. People they got self. How old them take their apart to get. So, but say make the guy just get patient. Say him still like the guy, and he want me the guy stay for Arsenal. But everything and Nketiah hand it because Nketiah self, just like Saliba, you know they happy with the Arsenal hierarchy. They block him move when he want go join Crystal Palace, and nobody see they come to give him playing time. So waiting on the sub. So everything as the January we know how it will be. At the same time, because Arteta can talk about Tavares, so Baba can talk say this Tavares. So wetin make I like the guy we say. Ever since when the guy come, the guy no even wait say I need 6 months to acclimatize, or I need the guy just drafting, just understand the game, acclimatize. He just be like Tomiyasu, he just enter, start to play. And what make I like the guy again, we say the guy is technically gifted, and the guy get raw pace. The guy feel the run, and the guy the ability to just change direction, move. And the guy get boost, and the guy get speed power. I think just like the way the guy they play. And the guy, the first time say he like attack more than defend. He like to go forward, but I beg. Say what thing you tell me say make you focus more on defense than the attack, because when you are a good defender, you don't defend well. Your position in the league, you get understanding with the person you are in there for the flank. Because if you there for that left, Now you and maybe Aubameyang go for that place, they understand each other. If you go forward, that guy got to block you. Or maybe now you and the midfield person, maybe if you go front, Lokonga got to block you. Or maybe Partey got to block you. You form a good partnership with them so that when you go forward, your space no go leak. So people just dey explain, just dey advise and one say, well, we dey very happy with Lokonga. It's sure, Lokonga, Tavares, Tomiyasu, Ben White, Ramsdale, Odegaard, all these additions we will add. Everybody has been spectacular. Nobody will add say make him come dey for Benjamin. We bought all these people so that they can come and play very well. See Tavares now. No one even know say Tavares na second choice. Baba enter and he play very well. So we just dey very happy with all these guys. So my dear football lovers, Monaya will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify say we don drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. And God bless you.